A strong motor to give you plenty of suction. No fancy stuff, no fancy price, just a sweet and simple cleaning machine. That's the new Eureka Sweet 16. It's all the vacuum cleaner you need for all the living you do.
Baby Jesus.
Eureka, the very best in vacuum cleaners, and more kinds of them than anyone else in the world.
No.
That's Eureka.
I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, let's get into it. I haven't timed myself in quite a while, so I thought that would be fun to do. So I'm gonna put my timer on. No, I don't want to start yet. I'm so scared. I'm being such a pussy right now. I started. I finished this milk already.